Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this new gameplay. Oh, Pom Pom is here. Pom Pom, where did she go? She's not around. Ah, that's a shame. Oh, there she is, and I see you with the normal. Oh no, never mind.
Well, then I need to.
No.
How do you? Okay, wait. Let me. I'm gonna record then. This menu seems awfully familiar. Hold on.
Yeah, but it's the first. No, is it the first one?
Is it?
Yep. Yeah, it is. It's the first one.
Okay.
But now I'll be. So, are you ready for, just me and you, solo adventure? Even if you'll probably get scared all the time, but I won't because
The menu has color now. That is so nice.
huh?
Oh?
Oh,
My recording menu has a different color for some reason. It's
for me it's
more
red.
red than before. So
Yeah, no, same for me. You know what?
Oh,
This seems
yes.
very English. This one.
Konnichiwa, Chexi-san.
What the fuck are you saying? English.
Anyway, let's
This
speak
horror
English
game
too.
features jump scares, loud sounds,
Cool,
and
jump
flashing
scares.
lights. Epilepsy
Not
warning.
scary.
The content in this world may be disturbing to
Well,
some
Dad,
people and
of
trigger
course,
fears
I'm not
or
scared
phobias.
either. So.
It is recommended that you are 16 years of age or
Nuh-uh.
older to enter this horror world. Apart from starting this game, all further events are
Stop!
activated by the local player. You may encounter bugs and glitches.
Don't be like
Please
that,
click
Pom
this
Pom.
button if you
Don't
want to
test
continue
me.
anyway.
Or what? You will tell me and I'm like, Jax, yeah, you being a pet Pom Pom? I don't give a shit.
There's VrChat. What am I supposed to do? For the best
Huh?
okay. So
No,
for the best
I don't give a...
experience, you need to do something.
Okay, warning, this word is loud, cheap jumpscare. Cheap? Cheap?
Cheap.
Cheap.
Oh,
Okay, we got scared.
Budget. Did you spend all your money?
Yeah, they spend all of the budget. What is this? Start game.
I still don't understand what post-processing means, but I'll just keep it turned off, I guess.
Oh, hey, here we are. Oh, look, it's a computer. It's an AI.
AI?
Okay. Yeah, there we go.
Hello?
Oh,
Can you hear me?
It's a prequel then, since
Test.
Yeah, it's a prequel because it's the first one.
Okay,
Yeah.
please stay calm. You can trust me. I've
Sure,
been
we
here for
can.
a long time. I was also
Now
locked
I'm
up
sorry,
here a
and
long
taken
time ago.
and tell the other
You're
girls.
probably wondering where you ended up here.
She's not even
This
flirting with you. What are you talking
underground.
about?
Strange experiments are being conducted
Well,
in this place.
I can prove it,
keep
yeah.
hearing screams. You are already the 3,974th person I
What's the
encountered.
matter?
I
Like,
was able to
imagine...
hack into some systems. to show
nothing.
you
Imagine
that I
nothing.
will open
Dare
one
you
first. The other one you have to
No,
open
I won't
yourself.
say
I can't
imagine
do
getting...
it. Somewhere in this
plastic.
complex, you will
I
find
will
a
never,
switch or a key that will allow you to open the other door. You are probably not alone here. Please be careful. I wish you good luck.
Thanks. Let's go.
Okay, so from what I am understanding, we are not alone, and we're supposed to find a
Well, of
switch
course
or
we're
a
not alone.
key.
We're together.
So,
Pom Pom,
Please
why are
take
you
a
so
flashlight
silly?
with you. There are power
Flashlight?
problems in some sectors. It could be that the light goes out there.
Wait,
but okay, no, I was getting carried away.
okay, but I'll talk care from the one last time. Like, do you want to record like for how long do you want to record? Like 30 minutes and then we stop and then we record the second part?
Yeah, I think 30 minutes should be more than enough.
Okay,
so...
now we'll be in carrot. Come on, Pom Pom, let's go. What are you doing?
Oh gosh,
Now the door has fallen shut. That must be an accident. I will help you find a way
Sure
out
it
of
is.
here.
an accident.
Trust me.
That didn't seem like an accident.
Sure it is.
I'm
there's-
waiting here. Because I'm not scared, so I'm waiting.
It's closed. Who's laughing? What's so funny, asshole? I don't care about your opinion. Ah. What's so funny? Okay.
I heard a joke or something.
What? It's just me.
No, I heard the laugh again.
Okay.
Wait, why? There's a...
Pom Pom?
Why is it... What? How did you? What? Where the hell did you go?
Here? It's not open. It's not open for you.
No, it's a locked door for me.
How? Well, go follow.
It says it's locked. Well, closed. I don't know. It's open now. Never mind.
It's open? Ah, that's cool.
Yeah, it just opened.
That's cool. Should we go here? Are you scared? Ah, how cute. She's so scared.
Oh, yes, I am, because there's mannequins.
Huh? Ah, don't worry. It's just Abel. Oh, they're ugly as fuck, though. Oh my gosh.
Well, maybe them, because what if they come to life later and they heard what you said and then they want revenge because you insulted them? So maybe try being nice to them.
Fuck off.
Okay.
I'll open. Oh no, it's closed. Maybe there's a key. You know, I have keys for everyone's room.
Huh?
I got jump scared.
Teddy!
Oh,
my God,
save him,
the
save him.
live stream. I will.
I have a deja vu. Like,
Yeah, do you do?
yeah, but I was with like, so bitches. Maybe there's
I
a.
don't trust those. I really don't want to get closer.
How is it called? Like, oh, there's a. That was not scary. Oh, there's a key here, Pom Pom. There's a
Wait,
key.
you said that was not scary. Is there gonna be a jump scare?
Yep.
Okay, well then I'm prepared.
Here, there's a key here.
Okay.
Here. Right?
Oh my
Told ya.
gosh, okay, I'm not Wait, I can't grab
Don't
the
tell
key,
me what
though,
to
'cause
do.
I'm having my hands full. Let me set my teddy down.
What
first.
is this? It's just a static image. It's not scary at all. Get the fuck out.
Here we go. Okay, you come with me.
Bitch. What do you want? No, no, you.
They fell over. What happened?
There's a
Ma'am,
water
you
in
lost
here.
your leg, dear. Your leg has been.
Imagine,
Well, anyway.
imagine being with not having a leg. Open the gate.
So mean.
Am I? No, wait. It's not. Wait, but maybe it's not for. Maybe it's for another. Oh, maybe this door.
Wait. What is that?
Let's go under.
That's an answer, I guess. Oh wait, the flashlight is in my. Okay.
Hello, can you hear me? I'm having trouble connecting. You need to get out of there now. Run.
Pom? I need to.
Does it lag for you sometimes as well?
Just sometimes.
Okay.
Backspace.
Run. What? No, how you mean run? I just went I just got in here.
Okay. Why? I'm not running.
I am.
Holy crap.
Yeah, no, okay.
Bitch. Okay. Okay, no. I don't like it. Now, Pom. Why is the flashlight not flashlighting? What the? Why is the flashlight not going? What? Okay, I'm alone. God, I miss Pom Pom already. Pom? Where did you? I'm alone, guys. Apparently, Pom Pom is not around. Ah, that's a shame. Because I really want to spend some time with Pom Pom. Did I? Oh, there you are.
Hello, I told you to wait up.
Don't tell me what to do, Pom Pom.
Yes, make your friend.
Why is it so easy to make you go all flustered? Seriously.
I'm sorry to interrupt this beautiful
They kept getting
music.
closer.
Now get into the elevator.
This one goes up to the
personal
doorway closed in
department
front
of
of
this
me, and I
facility.
was
I came
able
to
to get
find
to
a
you, and then you
that you can use to
disappeared,
contact
and
me
it would
again.
keep getting
Now
closer and
let's go ahead
closer, and I was
see.
horrible.
I am very proud of you.
Sure.
I
Wait,
do not
I'll turn the
appreciate
music
that you
back
were
on for you.
gone.
Oh.
You mean cool?
I don't know. I'm just.
You wanna play?
There's a clown.
Today.
Oh, just letting you know that there's a clown. Oh, there's a gift.
Wait, what do you mean, clown?
There was a clown for me
I didn't see.
because here I'm. Oh my god, the gift is getting bigger. Ah, get the fuck out, clown. Oh, spiders. The music is still loud though.
Is that for me? You need to try to stop.
I will wait for you because.
Oh, damn. It is getting bigger.
Yeah, but I will wait for you since you're. Like, I'll wait for you
Yeah,
because there's
a little bit behind. It's cool though.
Yep.
It's just a spider. Okay, I'm not scared of spiders.
Huh?
Not like someone in this room.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Of course.
Spiders are scary.
Hi.
Spider-Man is cool. Spiders are scary. Okay.
I am leading once again because I never ever get scared.
Why are you leading and why is your voice so...
No thanks, I'm good. I would rather
Come back. I want to.
No, I'm not coming back.
move your bum. We're going.
My what? My bum?
Wait,
It's close. No, it's... What? Oh, there you
Oh,
are.
please wait. My sensors show me that the
Right,
fuse in the junction box has been tampered with. Only the ventilation and the intercom
Gimme-
system
gimme
still
yours.
work
Gimme-
here.
gi-
You need to
gimme-
find a new fuse
I can't
and
drop
put it in
it,
the
like
power
it's
box
stuck.
to continue.
you need to press down a trigger.
There you go. Says here... Oh, wait, there's one here!
How convenient. The hell is that sound?
I don't know, what like...
Radiation? Well, let's go in there then.
You're radioactive. That's
Radioactive. What do you mean radioactive?
It means that we'll... That what it means. Maybe here. No power.
Wait, oh, this is making the sound. I was like, what the hell is the sound?
Oh, that. What do we have here? There's high voltage.
Oh, well,
Open.
no, you don't touch something that says high voltage.
We can die, remember?
Oh, yeah, but still.
Doesn't work.
What is this?
It doesn't work. There's a picture of... What is that?
Oh, wait, I need to investigate.
Oh, wait. Maybe we need... No, never mind. Don't.
That's well, clearly we could do something. I think maybe insert something here.
I guess. I don't know. Let's find out.
Like in the other map in the live stream, we had to insert stuff as well to summon the boat, and you know, maybe
Yeah,
we
just
could
a-
find
just,
that thing.
Just a moment. My headset is about to die.
New charging, mister.
Don't tell me what to do. And I will, because I want to play. You wanna hear a scary story? I stop it. Ah, how cute. Just a second.
What?
You're
What is
adorable.
cute? What the hell is cute about me f***ing the one?
You're cute on a daily basis, Pom Pom. You're cute, you're adorable, you're flustered.
I'm not cute.
Yes, you are.
I don't
Imagine.
get flustered.
Yes, you
okay,
do.
You know what, mister? No, that's it. I'm going.
What?
I will do this. Yeah, no, I'm going. Because
What are you doing?
Well, I don't
Okay.
know about this.
Okay, but don't scream for my Jaxie when you're all alone. I'm not helping you then.
Fine.
Imagine.
None of you like
Wait, there's a murder. What the hell?
There's a
No.
camera here.
Fuck off. Where is watching? Wait.
Yeah!
Oh my gosh. I punched the closet. Sorry.
It's okay.
Oh wait, I found something.
Oh, look.
No, you
fuse.
don't see me.
Oh, we put the fuse in the thingy thing we saw just a
Yeah,
minute
exactly.
ago. Oh,
You're so smart, Pom Pom. I'm impressed.
well, yeah, of course I am.
Oh, how adorable.
But I'm still mad at you.
Okay. Is it just me? Like, I'm not getting scared when I'm in character. Come on, Pom Pom, just put it here. Ah, I'm such a smart guy, aren't I, Pom Pom?
Wait, I wanted to put it.
Nah, because we're...
Get your bunny out of my face.
Don't tell me what to do. Are you being a Manchester? Huh?
Yes, I am. What
You're
about
right.
it?
I can ask someone to give you a particular outfit.
Oh, scary. Yeah, no, I won't fall for your scare tactics anymore.
Ah, just boy, it's so easy to mess with you, to flirt, to let's go here. Come on, follow me. Come on.
Okay. Yes, okay, let's play hide and
Seek! I will find you!
No,
I need to charge. I need to charge. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Don't panic. Don't panic.
nah, are you
There we go.
serious? There we go.
Okay. Crisis averted.
Okay. Hey! Okay, jeez. No, shit. I'm being chased. Ah! Bitch. Did I die?
Oh, come on! Why doesn't anyone want to play with me? I'm going back to the smile room because this horror world is total garbage.
Smile room? Huh? Wait. Oh, there you are. Okay, I thought I... Yeah, I
Oh
was
my
gonna
god.
jump.
You can't. You don't. You have no idea how fast my heart is beating right now. You have no idea. That was not okay. That caught me off guard. Oh, I mean, I don't remember jumpscares in general, but just like he said, the clown said, "Okay, let's play hide and seek," and then I turn around, I see him running towards me, and I'm like, "No!" I start panicking.
Ah, well, keep
Oh, look,
going.
there's a bunny here. That's cute.
Oh. Wait, I'll talk with him. He also hates Ragata. Okay, you're a cool guy.
Okay, well, I...
Wait. Good bunny. I asked him if you think you're silly and he said yes.
I don't speak Spanish.
Hello, nice to see you again. You are now in the employee living quarters of this facility. Unfortunately,
I wasn't
this
paying
exit here in
attention.
front of us has been magnetically shielded. It is not possible for me to open it. There is a second exit, but you have to go through the laboratory. The entrance to the laboratory is at the end of this corridor. It is sealed by 4 electromagnetic shields.
Cool.
To unlock these shields, you need to find 4 different key cards that the former employees might have left in their quarters. Just collect the 4 key cards
Will you
and open
listen
each of the
to
4 locks
our
on the door
VrChat
to the
Jeff, 'cause
laboratory.
I
Up
really
there.
wasn't
I'll tell
listening.
you what to do next. Don't worry, everything will be fine.
Wait, I left my...
We need to find 4 keys.
4 keys. Easy peasy.
Peasy, lemon
Sense.
squeezy.
Okay, Jackson, listen. So I have a very good sense of direction. I will go ahead, like, lead.
Sure. Go.
because
Don't.
I know exactly where to go.
Sure you do. Kitten!
Oh, look, always remember. Rule 1, work hard. Rule 2, work hard. Rule 3, do not ask questions. Rule 4, this institute is wonderful. Rule 5, do not talk with Backspace. Rule 6, no contact with the outside world. Rule 7, smile and the world smiles with you. Weep and you weep alone. Oh, that is very dark.
I know there's a kitty here.
Kitty! I was ready to throw hands.
Oh, there's one. I found a key.
Oh yeah,
key
you're
card.
right.
One. Oh, wait, there's a...
You took my flashlight.
Oh, sorry. Here we go.
Thank you.
There's the second one, I think. Oh, there's a bathroom here, but there's nothing inside. Is this like a mental hospital or just...
Bathroom. Let me see.
No, there's nothing in there, Pom Pom.
Interesting.
Keep going. No, wrong direction.
Well,
Really have to...
oh, you're right.
really-
You're right.
Hey!
Like I said, I'm very good at directions. What the fuck are you? I always
Nothing.
tend to curse at the things that scare me. Like I insult them for some reason.
Same. I just tend to do that. Like yesterday, I was insulting the spider the entire time.
Oh yeah, I remember. Like that's my instinct to immediately insult whatever is chasing me or running at me or scaring me.
Yeah,
Oh, puppy.
I know. Same.
Wait, this looks like an AI picture.
Did him... Pennywise.
No,
Don't look at it.
I said that looks like an AI picture.
AI generated image. AI.
I'm not affiliated with them.
What do you mean? It's
Oh,
blood. This shit is...
Are you struggling?
Because I don't know, it's not charging when it's charging. Okay. Now it's
Oh gosh, you have the same issue I had a while ago because that was really annoying. Like it was charging, but at the same time the percentage didn't go up at all. Ah, another.
spider!
Oh, it's just spiders.
Just spiders!
I abandon my flashlight and take the teddy instead. Would that be smart?
I want to get out of here.
Yes, you take it one, and I take one. Okay.
I want to get out of here.
Yeah, but how do we open the...
Okay, no, it's.
Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie?
Are you okay, Annie? You've been hit by
Right,
You've
a
been
smooth
a
criminal.
smooth criminal.
You've been hit by... You've been struck by... Wait, no, copyright. Yeah. Oh, fun one.
Oh gosh, you're right.
Michael Jackson. That's not me!
Imagine him giving us a copyright strike, even though it's not me.
That's not me!
Not me.
Little the beefy!
Do not go into the rat. What? The rat room. Rat room.
The fuck is this? The dark
rat-
web?
Quite possibly.
To get out of here.
Shut up.
God, I don't like that.
I want to get out of
So
here.
unsettling.
Yeah, I know you want to get out. Oh my god, where's this old lady?
Sorry, I said that.
Okay, I will, bitch.
Huh?
What is that? Oh my god.
Don't interact with her. She's evil.
Okay, I won't. And not interact with the old lady.
Okay.
She's evil. There's an old lady.
Oh,
here.
lady. Oh my god. I don't want to go in there.
I want to get out of here.
Should we add like trigger warning? Ugh, it's disgusting.
To get out of here.
Oh, here, there's a key. There's a key card, Pom Pom.
What? Here.
Here, in the bathroom.
Oh, wait.
Out of here.
I don't
But there's
see
a jump.
shape. Okay, you could have
Told
warned
ya.
me that there's a jump scare.
I already told you there was a jump.
No, you don't let me, mister.
Okay, the last one, and then we're done. We've been here already.
You're going in
No,
the wrong direction.
I knew it.
What?
Just wanted
Oh,
to
wait,
make
you
sure
said
you're
the old lady.
paying
She
attention.
said the old lady is evil. Okay. Then I'm not
Yeah, I
going
know you
there.
want to get out. Who is this? This one is. I think his dad.
I want to get out of here.
Just keep getting
I want to get out of here. I want to get out of here.
here.
I want to get
Yes, I know you
out
want
of
to get
here.
out. Shut the fuck.
I want to get out of here.
Pom? Pom? Where did you go?
I got teleported.
Why?
I was in this room. Not this room. I was in this room, and then I got teleported to another room.
Nice.
Like, why?
Okay, that shit got me. Where's the key card?
Not sure.
Okay, there's a skeleton on the
Okay,
toilet.
chill.
I want to get out of here.
Yes, I
That's
know
my
you
favorite
do.
Picture out of all of them, just a black nothing, a black square.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, there's a key card.
I want to get out of here.
Okay, so that means we can
What?
open the
No,
door.
wait,
no,
what?
there's one missing.
What? How?
Oh yeah, you need 4. I think we only collected 3, right?
No, we collected 4.
I only collected 3, I think.
No, we collected 4. So why? Maybe it was a
No,
troll.
maybe
one.
you. No. I mean, like maybe you collected one more than me, and I didn't collect it. Like, can you show me where all the key cards were?
No, I collected 4, but I don't know why
No,
it shows
Taxi.
3.
I mean, we both. No, Taxi. Listen. I think we both need to collect 4. I think I didn't collect 4 yet. That's why, because it's synced. You know, I need it, so it's
Okay, so
Can
we
you
found one
can
here.
you please show me? Yeah, this one I got. Yeah.
Then we found one. I don't know. Not here.
Okay.
Oh, and we found one in the in that weird room. This one.
Huh?
One was here in the bathroom.
Okay. Yeah, I got that one. Yes.
One was. There's an old lady here. One was like I don't remember around. Oh, here! I found it.
Where?
One is here.
Oh, yeah. I didn't get that one. Okay, thank you. Now we
You're
can go. Yeah. Okay.
No, wait. I need one more. How? Ugh, spider.
No, they're all green for me.
Not for me. Ugh, spider. Scary.
Aww.
I think I need one more. Wait for me. Where's the? But I'm sure I collected 4. I don't know. It might say crazy. What you about to say? One was like at the very beginning. What? Okay, now. Oh, okay.
I want to get out of here.
Did you get
Okay,
it?
I didn't catch. Like, I didn't get that one. Now we're 4. We can go.
Okay, great. You keep running into walls.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait. Is it like a code? No, please don't tell me you crashed. Pom Pom, please, no, don't crash.
I want to get out of here.
Pom Pom, please, no. No. Pom Pom, no, don't do this. Please. Pom Pom, no. I swear. Please. No. No.